Now I want to show you how we cut the pipes, push fitting pipes. Now it's very important to move that plastic from inside the pipe and make that smooth in here. Because if you don't do this, you can have some stock inside the pipe, some block, just like that. Dobre! Hello again. We already finished the outlet pipes in this bathroom. This is the main bathroom in this building, and now I'm gonna show you what we've done in here. In this place we're gonna put the shower, but in here we'll not the shower tray, just tiles on the floor. And we prepared pipes for that and the elbows. It's very important to have this. It's very important to move these elbows and everything, because before tiles we're gonna put in here a special trap for the shower with outlet lines on the top. So it's very important to have some movement in here on them elbows. Yeah. And that pipe is going into the boiler room to the wash basin. And as I said you before, I showed you before, we just installed that 4-way fitting in here. This is going to the toilet, yeah, which is already done by my friend. And this is going. This pipe is prepared for the wash basin in here. And that pipe in here, it's a very important pipe. This is the vent pipe. This pipe will going straight up above the roof to ventilate all the system in here. Yeah. As you can see, the toilet flusher is level correctly. It's very important to to keep that flusher. This is my friend plumber, very crazy from. It's very important to keep that toilet flusher in the correct position. So you have to measure everything in here correctly. You have to keep that flusher level, yeah. But anyway, it's boring. And in here we've got outlet pipe prepared for the bath, big bath in here. We're gonna put, and as you can see, we marked some lines in here because the builders, they're gonna put some insulation in here, about 10 centimeters insulation and 7 centimeters of screed. So all the pipes will cover it. Yeah. For now, thank you for watching, and see you again.